It has been close to a decade since anything violent has happened on IPFW's campus.
But the university community was shaken up yesterday when a man was found dead at a boat ramp near campus. News Channel 15's Kaitor Pessoa is live in the newsroom with more on the investigation.
27-year-old Jason Underwood was found yesterday morning dead, lying face down at the boat ramp. An IPFW spokesperson tells us this situation could have been much more difficult if it had happened next week when classes started. A man suffering from an apparent gunshot wound was found dead yesterday morning near IPFW's campus. He was lying face down at a boat ramp along East California Road near St. Joe Pathway. IPFW spokesperson Kimberly Wagner says the boat ramp the man was found at is the city's property, but all the roads and grounds surrounding it belong to the university.
Unfortunately, crime can occur anywhere. The university and the campus are not immune to that. We've been very fortunate that these types of incidents are very few and far between in terms of our having to respond and them being so close to us.
The Allen County coroner identified the man as 27-year-old Jason Underwood. They ruled his death a homicide. IPFW police are supporting Fort Wayne police in the investigation. The campus community was surprised by the situation.
Just, people wondering, what happened, what were the circumstances, just like they would with any other violent crime that occurred anywhere around the city, particularly when you don't know who the victim is.
The administration sent an emergency notification by email and text to faculty, staff, and students.
We're thankful that it occurred at a time where we don't have students on campus. We're between semesters right now. There haven't been too many people here. It was a weekend morning where the campus, there's very few people here. But that doesn't make it any less tragic as the fact that somebody lost their life.
Police are currently talking with witnesses and looking for suspects. They ask that anybody with information, please give them a call. In the newsroom, Kaitor Pessoa, News Channel 15.